Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you out if you have a Candy brand dishwasher and you're getting an error E02 on your dishwasher. So what is this error and how to get rid of it? So the E2 error is a drain error. It means that when it tries to drain, it starts to drain and it gives itself a certain amount of time. And if after a certain amount of time it hasn't drained, then the machine will say, oh, there's a problem here, and it will throw out this error. So you need to figure out why it's not draining properly. And starting at the inside of the machine, you can just come out here, and we just want to come in here in the bottom and make sure the screens and the filters and everything, there's not a buildup of food or anything else that could clog it and keep the water from draining out of the inside of the dishwasher. That's the easiest thing to try to do. The second thing is to go around back to the drain hose and make sure that the drain hose is not sometimes if you push the dishwasher too hard against the wall, it will kink the hose and then the water can't flow. So make sure there's no kinks or bends or anything like that in the drain hose. And also when it goes into the drain, there should be, in between the hose and the actual drain, it should not be sealed or taped or anything like that. You should be able to get air in between the two, or it can prevent you from getting proper drainage. If it's neither of those things, you might have a problem with your drain pump. And if that's the issue, you're probably going to need to call out for, call for service to get it fixed. But the first thing to check if you're getting this E2 error is check your drain, make sure it's not clogged, and then check your hose and the whole drain hose and everything, and make sure it's not kinked or bent or the seal's too tight to allow air for it to drain properly. And if you do that, you should be able to get rid of your error. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.